Hello dear, welcome once again to English Needs channel. This video is the third of this series of wild animals. This is very interesting because this contains the types of apes, that is our relatives, our ancestors, monkeys. So what are the types of monkeys what we have or apes we have? I have shown it here. You may not know some of them. You also watch and show this video to your children. When the children learn more, definitely they will feel proud of themselves, and then their confidence level will go high and an interest is created to learn more and more. This is what is actually required. And please comment after seeing this. If it is good, if it is excellent, then I will have the motivation to do more and more. And please subscribe. I need numbers. Thank you. Camel. Tapir, Malayan. Reindeer. Tortoise. Turtle. Monkey, macaque. Langur. Chimpanzee. Orangutan. Gorilla. Gibbon. Baboon. Pygmy marmoset. Sqirrel monkey. Emperor marmoset. Spider monkey. Golden lion tamarin. Diana monkey. Sloth.